name is Cuandon, and today I'm going to solve correctly my mistakes of my exam of the first partial in the physics subject. So my first mistake was in question number 10. I have to write in polar form these vectors. So first I have to ubicate in what quadrant are we working, and after that we have to solve it. So well, now I'm gonna display just the first one because there are three and this will take me a lot of time. So well, it's the same procediment for the three of them, but well, it doesn't matter. At first we have to use the Pythagorean theorem. So we have to for having the magnitude, we have to do this operation, that is square root of 66 to the 2 plus 66 to the 2. This is equal to 93.3380. And for the angle, we have to do the tangent to the -1 of j divided by x. In this case, 66 minus 66. In this case, this operation gave us minus 45, but we are working in the second quadrant, so we have to subtract from 180 45, and after that this will give us our result, in this case 135, and the same in the others. So this will be the procediment for the other two, and that's it. Well, now for the next question, it's number 11. I have to write these vectors in rectangular form. So for all these, well, I will do the same. I will just explain the number one, and it's the same procedure for all of them. So for letter J or Y, we use the function sine. So 45, that is the magnitude function sine of 35, and the result is 25.8109. And for letter I, or the letter X in the Cartesian plane, 45 function cosine of 35, and the result is 36.8618. So with these coordinates, this is our answer, and it's 36.8618 I plus 25.8109J. And it's the same procedure for the number 2 and number 3. We use function sine and cosine of the angle multiplied by the magnitude, and this will give us our coordinates and our answer. Well, now for my third mistake, it was in the part 2 in the first problem, and it says that we have to calculate the volume in cubic feet of a refrigerator that are 1.80 meters of height, 89 centimeters of width, and 36 inches of depth. So transform in meters, that three are these ones. So the formula of volume, its volume is equal to width per height per depth. So well, we transform that, and after that we have to multiply those three to calculate the volume but in meters. After that we have to do the conversion. So this is the procedure, and after that we only cancel and simplify, and this will be our operation. 1.46 well 4,649 per 3.281 to the 3, or this thing, and the result is 51.74,002 fits to the 3, and that's my third mistake. Now for my fourth mistake, it was the letter B of the problem 2 of the part 2, and it asked for the magnitude and the direction of the displacement of the resulting trip of the same problem. Well, it gave us these vectors, and well, at first we have to convert that is in polar form to rectangular form, so we have to use sine and cosine to transform. So well, I'm just going to do the first one because the same procedure. So 55 sine of the angle, well, in this case minus 45, equals to minus 38.8, and for the x or I, 55 per cosine of minus 45, it's equal to 38.8, and the same for the other twos. So after that we have the coordinates, and we write it in rectangular form, the vectors, and after that we calculate the resultant vector by addition and subtraction and multiplication of the vectors. But yeah, that's it. After that we have the resultant vector, that is this, and for have the magnitude we have to use a Pythagorean theorem. So cubic root of 2.114,251 to the 2 plus minus 1081.4 to the 2. Well, we put this in the calculator, and this is our result of the magnitude. And for the direction we use tangent to the minus 1 of the opposite divided to the adjacent. In this case, minus 181 point 4,251 divided by 211.4,291, and in this case the result is minus 40.6331, and this is our result. And that's it. That's the correct procedure to solve my mistakes in the first partial exam of the physics subject. That's everything for today. Thank you.